Zach says, thanks, Dennis. And if you have a choice between C Sharp or Java developer, which one are you going to take? I'm speaking generally, or are they very similar? Um, yeah, that's a good question, Zach. So the short answer is I would take the C Sharp job every single day, every day, including Saturdays and Sundays. I would, you couldn't pay me enough money to be a Java developer anymore. Like maybe if you needed some freelance help and if you asked me nicely, maybe I would work in Java for you. But but here's the thing I do want to clarify though, just to be fair to everybody, right? Because look, we all have our personal likes and dislikes and biases in life. So I would tell you that I like the C Sharp over the Java, not entirely because of tech reasons, but because have you ever met any Java developers? Let's be honest with each other. Java developers are weird dudes. They're weird. They are super weird. Like people who work in Java are not like well people. You gotta have a you know, little bit of the spectrum to be working in Java, right? Like seriously. Have you ever walked into a Java team room? Have you ever sat down and talked with like three, four Java developers? I don't want to talk to those people. Java developers are weird dudes. So I'm not saying there's not weird dudes in C Sharp, but if you're giving me those two choices, I'm choosing the C Sharp guys like in a second. The Java people are weird people. Not to mention the fact that like I don't want to be keeping up with the latest release notes on the JREs and the this and the that and the JVMs. Like boring, man. Like if you're a Java developer and you find that stuff interesting, you're a weird dude. Your mother doesn't like you. If that's the case, right? Like no thanks. I'm gonna go hang out with the C sharp guys, not the neckbeards in the Java room. So that's what I'm telling you, Zach. So if that makes me biased or just kind of shaded by my own experiences, that's okay. But yeah, I'm never picking the Java team. At this point in my life, I'm basically like semi-retired, so I probably wouldn't work